All right, guys. Now it's basically I want us to deploy what we've built so far, but now there was an issue we were facing while doing the avatar, right? For the input not being displayed. So there was something we were missing. Okay, when you visit the documentation, we didn't add this within our project during installation. It's very important to add this. So now, since we are dealing with React.js, where we have to add this, you have the public, okay? Within your public, you have your index.html. Within your index.html, you have your root and all that. So I'm just going to clean this up, okay? And now I'm going to put the script there, all right? And here you can rename the app to what you want. Okay, let's see if that works now. Okay, so you have this here and you have this here. So that basically solves the issue. Okay. All right. So now, to deploy on Vercel, it's basically a direct approach. Okay. You just need to go to Vercel. All right. You can decide to deploy on Vercel or any other platform. Okay. And go to your dashboard and just click a new project. So now from Vercel, you can basically search for what you want. Since this particular repository is on Daniel the Programmer Organization, I'll just import this. Okay. Then now I can just take deploy. All right. Now they say no custom settings apply. And now the deployment it's going. But now you'll see if you go to the repository, you check, they'll tell you not found. Do you know why? It's because the root does not have any index.html. So what we'll do now is we are going to leave this our root project and restructure it to a way that is going to be at the root of this. Okay, so let's do that. So now you can see we've moved it out and now it's on its own structure. Okay, all right. So now we will have some errors because we have actually moved it out, like moving from the repository to a repository. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Now we move together with our node module. So what I'll advise you to is, first of all, delete the node modules. Okay, now that the node modules are deleted, what you can do is, let's see, can do another npm install. It's ls. So now you see everything is within the root. Okay, npm install. So it's going to reinstall things again at fresh. All right, so now that's going to take a while. So now when that's done, you can basically push it again. Can just say structure. Okay. Uh, so once you do that, and you do a git push, okay, make sure once you're recommitting your changes, you have a git ignore file that is going to ignore the node modules and other external dependencies that are not necessary for you to push to GitHub. Okay. So now basically you have like a root section where the deployment can actually go successfully, and you see the structure that was within a React project was brought out here. So basically you have the same structure. You have the components, the CSS and all and so forth. So let's go to our repository and see how it actually looks like now. So now we moved everything and brought it here, but now you see we push with the node modules. That was when we didn't have git ignore. Okay, but we can always delete that. But before that, let's see if we have app live on Vercel. It's still not found. Okay, maybe because of the node modules or something. But now let's try deleting our node modules and see if that actually solves our problem. So let's try deleting it directly from here. So we'll go within our node modules and see if we can delete from here. Okay, we can take more options. So basically upon deployment, you see we had some production errors here. Okay, so how do we fix that? If you by any means have this issue, model can resolve this. Okay, this solved it. Okay, you can just say install implement React icons and you restart the application, and that's going to do the deployment for you. So basically this is the output of what we've been doing so far. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.